Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will cover some interesting facts about the health benefits of ginger. If you're a fan of this aromatic spice, you'll definitely want to stick around to learn more about all the amazing ways it can benefit your health and well-being. Ginger is a flowering plant native to Southeastern Asia and has been used for centuries as both a spice and traditional medicine. It is a member of the Zingiberaceae family, which also includes turmeric, cardamom, and galangal. The root of the ginger plant is used both fresh and dried as a spice, and has a warm, spicy sweet flavor. In addition to its culinary uses, ginger has a long history of use in traditional medicine to treat various ailments, including nausea, inflammation, and pain. There are several types of ginger, including white ginger, black ginger, and red ginger. The most common type is yellow ginger, which is typically found in the grocery store. Ginger can be consumed fresh, dried, or in the form of supplements, such as capsules or extracts. The cultivation of ginger is thought to have originated in ancient China and India, and it has been traded and cultivated for thousands of years. Today, ginger is grown in many tropical and subtropical regions around the world, including China, India, Indonesia, and Nigeria. Ginger is used in many cuisines and is a key ingredient in many dishes. Some cuisines that are known for using a lot of ginger include Chinese cuisine. Ginger is used in many Chinese dishes, especially stir-fries and marinades. Indian cuisine. Ginger is a key ingredient in many Indian dishes, such as curries and chutneys. Thai cuisine. Ginger is used in a variety of Thai dishes, including soups and stir-fries. Japanese cuisine. Ginger is often used in Japanese cuisine as a garnish or in pickled form. Korean cuisine. Ginger is used in many Korean dishes, including soups and marinades. Ginger can also be used to make a variety of drinks and beverages, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Some examples include ginger ale, a carbonated beverage flavored with ginger and sweetened with sugar or artificial sweeteners. Ginger beer, a fermented beverage made from ginger, sugar, water, and sometimes other flavors like lemon or lime. Ginger tea, a hot beverage made by brewing ginger root in hot water. Ginger can also be used to add flavor to smoothies, juices, and other non-alcoholic drinks. There is evidence to suggest that ginger has several potential health benefits. One of the most well-known benefits of ginger is its ability to alleviate nausea and vomiting, including morning sickness during pregnancy. Ginger has also been found to have anti-inflammatory effects, which may be helpful in the treatment of conditions such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. It has been used to treat joint pain and may be effective in reducing muscle pain and soreness. Additionally, ginger may have a positive effect on blood sugar control and may help lower blood pressure. Ginger has also been shown to be effective in reducing chemotherapy-induced nausea and vomiting in cancer patients. Ginger has also been found to have antioxidant and antimicrobial properties, which may help to boost the immune system and protect against illness. Some research suggests that ginger may be effective in treating migraines. Ginger has a long history of use in traditional medicine systems, such as Ayurveda and Chinese medicine. It has been used to treat a variety of ailments, including indigestion, respiratory problems, and fever. Ginger has also been used as a natural remedy for colds and flu, as it is believed to have antiviral properties. Despite the potential health benefits of ginger, it is important to note that it can also have some side effects, particularly when consumed in large amounts. Ginger may cause heartburn, gas, and bloating in some people, and may interfere with certain medications. It is also not recommended for use by pregnant women in large amounts, as it may stimulate contractions and cause premature labor. It is also worth noting that, as with any supplement or natural remedy, it is important to talk to a healthcare provider before using ginger as a treatment for any condition. While ginger may have potential health benefits, it is not a replacement for conventional medical treatment and should not be used as such. Ginger is easy to grow and can be grown in a variety of climates. It is a tropical plant that requires warm temperatures and plenty of moisture. Ginger is typically grown from rhizomes, which are underground stems that produce roots and shoots. To plant ginger, select a healthy rhizome and plant it in well-draining soil in a sunny location. Water the plant regularly and fertilize it with an all-purpose fertilizer. Ginger is ready to harvest when the leaves begin to yellow and dry out. Overall, ginger is a versatile and flavorful spice with a long history of use in traditional medicine. While more research is needed to fully understand its potential health benefits and side effects, it is clear that ginger may have several positive effects on health. However, it is important to use caution when consuming large amounts of ginger, and to speak with a healthcare provider before using it as a treatment for any condition. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope it has been of some benefit to you. We hope you'll continue to watch our channel and help us grow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content in the future. Thanks again for watching and see you in our next video.